There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Dodge Charger SE in granite crystal metallic. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, gloss black grille with satin chrome crosshatch, 17-inch satin silver aluminum wheels, power mirrors with manual foldaway, dual bright exhaust tips, Sentry key theft deterrent system, power 6-way driver seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, 27,113 miles on the odometer, Uconnect 5-inch touchscreen, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, dual zone temperature control, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 1030A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.